In the world today, it is so much more challenging. And so all the grace in the world goes out to those kids who are trying to navigate those early tween and teenage years. It's tough. They need so much love and support.
So I want to switch gears a little bit because we're talking about our hormones, but I also want to talk about the other side of things.
Oh, yes.
So ours are going down and our children's are going up.
Yes.
And so, we have these different hormone changes happening. So I'm going to get us out of the hot seat.
Right. If possible.
If possible. But I know you've homeschooled 4 boys through all of these stages. Yes. So you've seen these moods and hormones coming in. And we kind of talked about that very briefly in our last conversation. But how would you encourage a mom or dad who just feels like emotions are running the household and, they're just going crazy? So whether it's the kids or themselves, how would you encourage a mom in that?
Yes. Well, I'll start by saying, like you mentioned, I have raised 4 boys. I have not raised daughters. And I know that's a whole nother thing. But I was a girl, and I remember well going through that season. I wouldn't go back to middle school or freshman year of high school if I were paid to. So God bless them. And in the world today, it is so much more challenging. And so all the grace in the world goes out to those kids who are trying to navigate those early tween and teenage years. It's tough. They need so much love and support. But I will say, practically speaking, because I love to be practical, my number one suggestion is, I'd say especially for boys, but I think this is for both, kids need to be active. They need to get out in the fresh air if possible. They need to be challenged. They need to sweat. I believe that a kid that comes in from hard exercise, hard work, whatever it might be, is just going to be in such a healthier place mentally than if they're sitting around, especially staring at screens. So be wise, get them outside. Some kids aren't going to, they're going to resist you on that, but it really is your responsibility as a parent. I mean, the American Medical Association recommends an hour a day for kids like 6 years old through 18 of physical activity, mostly aerobic. Even my boys who are very active, an hour a day is a lot. And that is like minimal requirement. So most of us aren't going to get that every single day, but I'd say if you make that a goal, your kids are going to be so much better off. And guess what, moms? We could use the same. So the more active you are, the more fresh air you get, the healthier you're going to all be. So do it as a family. Get out for a walk. Go for a good hike if you have the time. Just get everyone out.
Homeschool Insights is brought to you by Apologia, BJU Press Homeschool, and CTC Math. Visit the show notes to learn more about these excellent homeschooling resources. And for more encouragement, listen to the Schoolhouse Rocked podcast at schoolhouserocked.com.